What's up, time travelers? Last year I ordered USB chargers for my new Wave Toys games, and they finally arrived, so I'm bringing them inside of the house and we're going to unbox them. It's going to be super awesome. As usual, New Wave Toys puts another box inside, and look at this, it's already been kind of open. That's kind of weird, right? And what we got in here, a New Wave Toys kind of banner that I guess that you can put in as an alternative, and there's several types of legs that you could put onto the game, and of course a power cord, which you're going to need since it's a charger, right? And then here it is. It's cool, right? It's a electric glow stick dispensing USB charger, yeah, and it's got like a plug and an on-off switch, two USB-Cs and 4 regular old USBs. That's pretty cool, right? I am enjoying the look and feel of this. Very nostalgic. Let's put the legs on. I'm going to pick the chromed ones because I like chrome. Chrome is nice. The black ones are cool too, but let's go chrome, right? Yeah. It'll really pop, I think. All right. I really took a long time looking at them while I was doing it. And they go in at a slight angle, which is super fun because you kind of have to figure out how to start threading it. All right, this looks great. We've done it. Look at that. That's nice. And let's go open up our other box. Same deal. 2 boxes inside. Let's see if somebody had already opened that one too. Art-O-Matic. The USB Art-O-Matic machine. Nice. And sure enough, this little seal is not sealed, but whatever. It's not like I'm finding weird stuff. There's an Art-O-Matic alternate banner that you can put in, and of course we've got the power cord, and oh, red and blue legs. That's pretty neat. I don't know which color I'm going to pick. I have to think about that. Art-O-Matic. Here we go. Look at that. It's like a repurposed glowing stick dispenser, and it needs its legs. Same deal. Power, 2 USBs and 4 regular USBs. All right. Let's figure. I'm thinking the red ones, right? Or no, the blue ones. Let's do the blue ones. Yeah. That way it'll be kind of even. I like it. All right, so we're going to put the blue one here. Again, with the stupid angle, we got to figure this out. You guys, if you're going to buy one of these, enjoy this part. This is the best part of the whole experience. All right, that looks nice. Very nice. Okay, we're going to take a quick look at turning them on, and you can see the different options for the settings. Of course, there's the white setting, and then there's like a black light setting. So if you put something in there, it's got a black light reacting type print. That'll work too, right? Okay, I think we did it. We've got our 2 USB chargers set up, and they're looking really cool. Regardless, we did it, everybody. We did it. All right. Yeah. We did it. Yeah, I don't even know what to say now. I'm so excited. How long does this go? It's pretty cool. Like, look at the weather. It's great, right? This is like a Stranger Things kind of feel for me. All right, I'll shut up. Bye.